Welcome everyone, Greg here, and this will be a quick demo of a new feature in TrueCoach that will now allow you to adjust your workout calendar days. So you'll see I have 5-6 workouts here laid out per usual, and if I wanted to, looks like today is an upper body A day. If I wanted to, yes, I could just go ahead and start my week with the 16th and do this leg day. I can click on that, see my workouts, do them, etc. The downside before this update is that then my workout today would not be in the upcoming tab, it would move into the past tab. So if I've missed a workout, done that, I'd have to go back and do it and come back into past and go and find the workout. Now, if I ever want to change the order in which I do my sessions, you want to keep it super clean. Let's say today I want to go back and do this leg day. Went kind of quick there, but you'll see April 16th at the top. Let me click that, pull it into today, click save workout, and it will now be under today's session. I have 2 workouts for today, so obviously I'd probably come up to upper body, and let's say I move that to the 16th now, and bam. Now, if for whatever reason, maybe I do this one at home and this one at the gym, and I want to go to the gym that day, whatever reason, right? Your schedule, you can now manually move these around, okay? Same thing, say if I didn't want to do an active recovery day on Wednesday, maybe I push this to Sunday if I want to, okay? Really, the options are up to you. You really can play around with it as much as you want to. This is a pretty cool feature. It really kind of helps you stay organized. I think I'll be using this quite a bit because I really do hate when I have to, I do reorganize my own workouts quite a bit just due to scheduling or whatever if I'm super sore. And it is kind of a pain to go back here and find the workouts in the past category. So if you have any questions on this, let me know, but it should be a pretty simple thing. Again, you'll just click into the workout, click into the date, and if you want to move it around, you can move it to anywhere else in that week.